the fastest way to kill your engine is not doing proper maintenance. Time and time again, I see vehicles that they've ran way over past their oil maintenance and pulled the dipstick and it smells like gas. Bad. Not good. You're killing your engine by doing that. Another thing, not getting your air filter changed. Change your air filter. If it needs changed, get it changed. Also, proper oil checking maintenance, because older engines are going to start to use oil. We all hate to see that coming, but it is. And when it does, if you're not maintaining and watching it, you're going to cause your engine to malfunction earlier than expected.